guys, today we're creating another video, but this is just a video from last time because I just made another one. They're playing pickleball as fast as they can. Here are the visitors. That's my friend cameraman. So yeah, this is the guys who's playing actually. So yeah. So if you guys try pickleball, this is actually really nice. Just order a racket and go and build them. Tacorong City. Yeah. I'll show you a tour, right? Okay. This is a tour. Tired burger. Where is that? Here we are. So that is our car right there. As you can see, it's beautiful. Now put it up there. Lagi a little. Now get it down there because they're playing a lot. Dude, so my friend cameraman is going home. Bye guys, and have a nice day pickleballing. Peace.